Ethereum against US dollar this week has made a bullish breakout. We can see that the price has formed this strong candle 3 days ago on a Wednesday, and the price continued to move up and reached the start of the supply zone around 2,700. So after the price has reached the supply zone, there is a strong sell-off where the price has returned all the way to the start of this demand zone. So we can see that the bulls have pushed the price above, making a breakout and confirming this breakout as a valid one with the next candle. On the weekly time frame, what we can see is a pretty strong bullish candle that has made a breakout to the upside and also above 2,400. So we have 2 more days until this week ends, so everything's still open. This could also this bullish breakout could also be a false one where the price returns back down around this one and also closing again inside this indecision also range area on the weekly time frame. But if the price stays above, this will mean that the bullish breakout has happened on the weekly time frame, and that needs to be confirmed next week as a valid one, where the price should not go below 2,400. On the monthly time frame, we can see this looks still bullish, and also the price has reached this great resistance level, which was expected around 2,760. Which was also mentioned in the previous week analysis, and also monthly analysis, that the price could reach on the market. We can see the price dropping down and also confirming this bullish breakout as the valid one, and if the price stays above, not going back down below 1945, this will mean on the monthly time frame everything is still open and also the bulls are much stronger, because this is a pretty wide area between this resistance level and also support level. Anything can happen between inside. So for now everything's still open on the monthly time frame. We have around 3 more weeks until this month ends, so it will be much better to see weekly and also daily time frame as a better indicator what could happen on the market. For now we have 2 more days until this weekend, so if it stays above, this will be a bullish breakout. On the daily time frame, we can see how this looks. Everything is still open because the price is currently in between these 2 price levels. So for now, what we need to see for the price to stay above 2,400 for the next 2 days. This will mean also a bullish breakout has been validated on the weekly time frame, and then we will see for the next week what happens. I will also make the analysis each day to see how the market looks, and also if there is any significant movement, any breakout to the upside or the downside, I will share that with you inside the trading community. The trading community, you can also check it with the link below in the description. So if you'd like to check each day what can happen and also what will be the target after the price makes a breakout to the downside or to the upside, feel free to check there where I'm sharing the daily analysis. See you next time and happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!